Houses by a Park by Studio MOTLEY in Bangalore, India. Located in Bangalore opposite a large neighborhood park, a set of 4 houses were to be built, one of which was to be the personal house for the client, and the others were to be let out. The intent was to create a quiet presence on the street and evoke a sense of nostalgia for the city, which was once famous as a garden city known for its slow pace of life but now facing unprecedented and mostly unplanned growth. Taking a cue from its location, the houses feature large terraces, connecting each unit to the landscape beyond, from which an unobstructed view of the park can be experienced. On the second floor, this terrace is sheltered by a 20-foot cantilevered roof, creating an extension of the park itself, onto which the house spills out. The building is clad with Satarahali stone, a locally found granite in a rough, textured form to echo the older built fabric of the city. The facade also features an operable screen made of laminated bamboo to create a sense of privacy for the bedrooms.